Hey guys, if you're having trouble installing the Roblox app, then not to worry, as in this video, I'm going to show you some steps you can take to solve this issue. Now, one of the main reasons why the installer gets stuck or just doesn't work is due to corrupted cache data. So to fix this, all we're going to do is delete the old cache data. To do this, head over to the Start menu on your computer by pressing the Windows key and then searching for the word Run. And then we just want to click this, and then in this search box, we want to type in %, local app data, %/temp, and then hit OK. From here, we want to scroll all the way down until we find the Roblox folder. And once we found it, then just select it and come over to the trash icon here to delete the cache. And then once we've done that, we want to come back over to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key again, and then headed back over to Run, and then selecting the Run icon. And then this time we want to type in the same thing but without the \temp at the end. So let's get rid of that, and now it should just read % local app data %, and then hit OK. We then want to scroll all of the way down until we find Roblox, and we just want to come into this folder here, and then we want to scroll down again until we come to a folder labeled versions, and then if we just click into this, now what you want to do is you want to find your most recent version, and you can do this by checking the date modified. So you can see here the most recent version for me is the 29th, so if I just come into this folder, and then from here, you want to find the Roblox Player installer and double-click it to launch the app. If you can't actually find the Roblox Player installer in this folder, then you could just come back out and head to another recent version. So let's go to the next one along, and you can find the Roblox installer from here instead. Now, if you've tried this and it's still not working, another thing you can do is download Roblox from the official Microsoft Store. To do this, let's open up our Windows menu again, and we're going to come over to the Microsoft Store. And then from here in the search box at the top, let's just search for Roblox. And then we want to select Roblox and follow the steps in order to download the app. You will also want to make sure you're running the most up-to-date version of your operating system, as this can also cause installation issues. To check this, simply head back over to the Start menu, and this time come to Settings. And then in Settings, we want to scroll all the way down to Windows Update at the bottom here. And then we just want to click Check for updates. Now, as you can see on my computer, I'm running the most up-to-date version, but if you are running an outdated version of your software, just simply install the update and restart your computer, and then you can try reinstalling the Roblox app. Hopefully by now your installation is working correctly, but if you still are experiencing issues, then drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this one. Until next time.